Good morning. Today is Friday, November 13th. For lunch today, there's crispy chicken tenders with golden french fries and roasted corn, or turkey deli sub sandwich, or pepperoni or cheese pizza. And we've got 3 birthdays today. Happy birthday to Rachel Allison in the 5th grade, to Haley Brundage in the 6th grade, and to Madison Schmidt in the 6th grade. Have a great day.
Hey everybody. So this year at AMS and CWSA, we've been very fortunate to be able to have most of our instruction be face-to-face. Instead of doing remote learning like we did at the end of last year where all we could learn was through the Chromebook, this year most of our instruction has been able to take place with a teacher in front of you or over a Zoom connection from a neighboring room to be able to answer your questions and to be able to teach. That said, there's still situations that are going to come up where we're going to need to use remote learning. One of these is in case your class gets quarantined, and that's already happened with several classes this year. Another one is in case the school building needs to shut down, like it was at the end of last year. That one's maybe a little less likely, but we want to be ready anyways. And number 3 is in case of a snow day. This year, if snow closes our schools, we're going to still have instruction online during that time. So like we all learned at the end of last year when our school building shut down, learning online and learning remotely takes a little bit of practice before we can do it well. That's why this upcoming Tuesday, November 17th, is going to be a remote learning day in all of your classes in AMS and CWSA. It takes practice to learn how to do this online, and it takes teachers practice to learn how to design and put things online. So we want to practice that as a dress rehearsal before we ever have to do it. So each grade level has come up with a different schedule and plan of what your remote learning day will look like. So first thing you're going to do on Tuesday is go to your advisory or homeroom, and they will show you what that schedule is. They'll show you where to find it, how to open it up, and review with you the expectations for online learning that day. Now, even though we're going to show you this schedule on Tuesday, we're not going to use it on Tuesday because it takes a little practice before we get that far. So on Tuesday, we're going to be following our normal schedule. That means that you have a class at a certain time, your teacher will come in the room at that time. If you are scheduled to go to a class like Phi Ed or band, then you will go to those classes. However, you'll need to bring your Chromebook along with you. Lunch and recess are going to be on our normal schedules. It's kind of hard to do virtual lunch. So next Tuesday is going to be very different. We're going to have some challenges. We're going to have some struggles, just like we did when we did remote learning at the end of last year. But this year, let's practice those struggles. Let's figure out what we need to do while we're still together so it'll go much easier whenever something comes up next time. So today's challenge, think about what you need to do and what your classes need to do in order to be ready to learn online. Talk about that in your advisory and homerooms, and we'll be ready. All right, you take care.